Hi everyone, welcome back to VGS Maths Education channel. Today our topic is trigonometry exercise 11.2. So 11.2 ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ రావాలంటే మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఏం నేర్చుకోవాలంటే ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ టేబుల్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఆ ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ టేబుల్ వచ్చిందంటే ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 11.2 అనేది చేయడం చాలా సులువు. సో ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ టేబుల్ నేర్చుకోకుండా ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 11.2 అనేది చేయడం రాదు. అది ఎక్సెల్ టేబుల్ వస్తేనే ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 11.2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. అందుకోసం ఏం చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ మనం టేబుల్ నేర్చుకుందాం. నౌ trigonometry table we discussed. So trigonometry table, what is that? Here is a 6 sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. This is specific angles. What is that? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. This values we are getting, it is a six values is there. It is the table we are now filling. So what is that? First, in this first row, it is the what is that? Root 0/2. It is the main concept. This you can remind. What is that? 0 by under root 0/2 and under root 1/2. It is the 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Under root 2/2 and 60 degrees under root 3/2 and 90 degrees under root 4/2. So what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Denominator all 2 is there. So here is a numerator under root is there and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a basic concept you will remind. So this value is the changed. So what is that? Root 0 mean always 0. This is the 0 and denominator what is that? 0 by root 0/2 under root 0 mean 0, 0/2 mean this is the value also 0. So this permanent value what is that? This permanent value it is the 0. So what is that? 0. So we can write to what is that? Here is the 0 getting. Next to root 1/2 mean what is that? Root 1 mean 1 and denominator it is a 2 mean simple 2 right. So finally sin theta, sin 30 degrees is equal to how much is there? 1/2. That is the 1/2. And next to root 2/2. It is a sin 45 root 2/2. It is a changing. What is that? It is a root 2. It is a cancel. Here is a what is that? Root 2 by this one also root 2 into root 2. Here is a cancellation. How much is there? Root 2 cancel. Here is a 1. What is the remaining? 1/√2. What is that answer? 1/√2. So now here is a right. 1/√2. 1/√2. Now here is a root 3/2 60 degrees. It is not cancellation possible. So same as it is, leave it. And now here is a root 4/2. It is a 90 degrees. Root 4 mean it is a 2 getting and denominator 2 is there. 2 2s a 1. Here is a finally it is a 1 mean what is that? Sin 90 degrees is equal to what is the value? That is 1. So what is that? That value 1. So if you know these values we can fill this table. What is that? If you know these 5 values, you know this table we can fill it. So how can we fill? Just observe here. So here is a sin 0 degree is equal to how much is their value? 0. Sin 30 degrees is equal to what is that? 1/2 values. Sin 45 degrees what is that? 1/√2 value. Sin 60 is equal to what is that? Root 3/2. It is a sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. This value you know we can fill this table. So now observe. Here is a it is a 90 degrees is there. You can write it is a right side one is there. Now cos theta it is a left side. It is a changed right. Here is a right side is there. So now you can write is the left side onwards. Sin 1 is there. Here is a 0 degrees 1 right. And here is a 60 degrees root 3/2 is there. Now it is a 30 degrees place root 3/2 right. It is the next 1/√2 as it is here also 1/√2. And a 60 degrees position, it is the 30 degrees position. How much is there? 1 by 2 is there. Here is a 1 by 2, write it. The 90 degrees and position, it is a 0 is value. What is that? 0 degrees. Here is the 0 degrees, write it. So that is the finish. Now tan theta. Tan theta mean what is the main? Here is a tan theta is equal to main concept. What is that? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta mean what is that? Main what is that? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Here sin value is there, cos theta value is there. So this is the upon you can say. So 0 by 1 mean what is that? 0. And 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. It is the upon 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. Mean it is a by you can say. It's the denominator root 2 cancel. So numerator what is the remaining? 1 by root 3. Now here also 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Because sin theta 1 by root 2, cos theta 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel is equal to what is that? 1 cancel. And here is a denominator 2 is there. It is a root 3 by 2. It is a numerator portion. Denominator portion what is that? 1 by 2. It is a by you can say. So denominator cancel. What is the remaining? Root 3 by 1 mean. Root 3 by 1. That is the answer. So we can write what is that? Simple root 3. Root 3 by 1 mean what is that? Root 3. And 1 by 0. 1 by 0 mean it is a not defined. Not defined. Not defined. 1 by 0 mean that value not possible. So we can write not defined. Now here is the cot theta. Cot theta value what is that? Same opposition. It is a left to right is there. Now right to left, write it. So here is a cot theta mean what is that? Cot theta is equal to, if you know this value, so now here onwards it is the cot theta is the not defined. Here right, same, not defined. Now here is the root 3 value. Here is a 1. Here is a 1 by root 3. Here is a 0 value. So cot theta position also finished. Now sec theta. Sec theta mean what is that? Sec theta it is reciprocal of 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal of 1 by cos theta. So cos theta reciprocal what is that? 1 by 1. 1 by 1 mean this is the 1. And 2 by root 3 reciprocal what is that? Root 3 by 2 is the reciprocal what is that? 2 by root 3. Here is a cos theta what is that? Root 3 by 2 is there. So reciprocal what is that? Denominator, numerator getting numerator, denominator. So here is a 2 by root 3 got. Now this one also reciprocal what is that? 1 by root 2 is there. Here is a sec theta 45. Here is a this reciprocal what is that? Root 2. This much only. Here is a 60 degrees cos theta reciprocal what is that? 1 by 2 mean it is a simple 2 is there. So it is a reciprocal what is that? 1 by, here is a cos theta 1. Here is a cos theta value, how much is that? 0 mean. 1 by 0 mean what is that? That is not defined. What is that? Not defined. Now cosec theta mean same as it is a left, right onwards it is a left you can write. What is that? Not defined. Now here is a 2 values there, here also 2 write it. So root 2 is there, here also root 2 getting. Now 60 degrees position 2 by root 3, here also 2 by root 3 right. Here is a 1 is there, so right side it is a 1 right. This is the trigonometric table value. So if you know these values, we can solve it is a exercise 2 problems easily. So everyone learn this table. First what is not, first this value you can remind, so you can solve this all values. So what is that first value? Sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equal to 1. This value if you know, so this table we can fill easily. So sin 0 value already first what I told, under root 0 by 2, under root 1 by 2, under root 2 by 2, under root 3 by 2, under root 4 by 2, if you know. So this value also we can cancellation, so this value getting. So if you know this values, this table we can fill easily. Now exercise 11.2, first bit, what is that? Evaluate these values. So first question in the, what is the given? Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees mean what is that? You can search in the trigonometry table sin 45 degrees value. What is that? That is 1 by under root 2 is there. Sin 45 degrees is equal to how much? 1 by under root 2 plus, and cos 45 degrees. Same cos 45 degrees also you can take from the trigonometry table. Here also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, it is a denominator position, it is a root 2 is there. So here also numerator it is a root 2 by root 2, it is a quotient how much getting? 1 getting. 1 into, here is a numerator how much is there? 1 is there. So this process everybody you know. So and plus, and this root 2, this root 2, this root 2 divided by this root 2, how much getting? Quotient 1. So 1, and here is a numerator, what is that? Here also 1 is there, 1 into 1. So finally 1 into 1 is equal to 1, plus here also 1 into 1, 1. So here is a denominator root 2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by root 2. So this means 2 by root 2 is equal to, what is that? 2 mean we can write to root 2 into root 2 by denominator, what is that? Root 2 is there. Numerator, what is that? 2 is there, that is 2, we can write root 2 into root 2. Denominator root 2 is there, root 2 cancel. Finally what is the answer? Root 2 is the answer. What is the answer? Root 2 is the answer. So it is the first question finished. Now we are going to the next question. Now in this second question, cos 45 degrees by sec 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees. So this value you know, so this value you know, just you can solve easily. So what is that? Cos 45 degrees, so already you know 1 by root 2 by, here is a sec 30. Sec 30 is equal to, what is that? Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60. Cosec 60 also same, 2 by root 3. So this value you can do it. It is the numerator portion how much is there? 1 by root 2 is the denominator. So numerator what is that? 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, right? So denominator it is the LCM is equal, denominator it is the root 3 right? This root 3 divided by this root 3, it is the quotient 1 is there. 1 into 2 is there, 1 into 2 plus, and here also same root 3 divided by root 3, 1 getting 1 into, here is the numerator 2 is there, 1 into 2. So right, next step what is that? Numerator 1 by root 2. So by it is the, again by it is the root 3 is there. So 1 into 2, 2 plus here is the 2. So here is a getting, what is that? Main upon it is die, 1 by root 2 is there. It is what is that? 4 by root 3. So now it is the numerator fraction number is there, denominator fraction number is there. That is write it 1 by root 2, it is the first fraction numerator, and it is a multiplication position. Denominator it is a numerator getting, it is a multiplication getting. So what is that? 4 by root 3 it is a multiplication position. Numerator it is a reciprocal. What is that getting? Root 3 by 4 getting. So finally what is the answer? 1 into root 3 by Root 2 into 4 is equal to what is that? 4 root 2. This is the answer. So what is the answer? Root 3 by 4 root 2. This is the answer. Now we are going to the next problem. Now third problem, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus 630 degrees. This value you can take from trigonometry table. Sin 30 degrees is equal to what is that? So first upon right, sin 30 degrees is equal to how much is there? 1 by 2 and plus tan 45 value it is the 1. Next minus cosec 60. Cosec 60 degrees is equal to what is that? Here is the 2 by root 3. Cosec 60 is equal to what is that? 2 by root 3. Now cot 45 degrees. So numerator portion finish, denominator cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to 1 is there. So plus cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to what is that? Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 minus sec 30. Sec 30 is equal to what is that? This is 2 by root 3. So just observe, here is a numerator 1 by 2 plus 1. Here is the denominator 1 plus 1 by 2. This value is the same. Next numerator is the minus 1 2 by root 3. It is also this value minus 2 by root 3. It is a numerator and denominator is the same is there. So numerator and denominator it is a cancellation. Finally what is the 1 by 1? 1 by 1 mean what is that? This is the answer is equal to 1. So this is the answer. It is the little bit question. If you know this values, this problem it is very easy. Now fourth question. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. So value you can take from trigonometry table. 2 tan square. So 2 as it is, right. So what is that? 2 as it is. Tan 45. Tan 45 mean 1. Sorry. Tan 45 is equal to. So what is that? Here is the tan 45 is equal to what is that? That value is equal to 1 mean 1 and square mean 1 square. Next plus cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is equal to what is that? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60. Sin 60 value is equal to how much is this value also? Root 3 by 2 whole square. So finally what is that? Here is a 2 1 square mean 1. 2 into 1 this is the 2 plus root 3 square. Root 3 square mean 3 by 2 square mean 4 minus here also root 3 square. Root 3 square means simple 3 by 2 square mean it is a 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 it is a cancel. So here is the 2 remaining is there. So that is the answer. What is that? Finally answer what is that? Simple 2. This is the fourth question also now finished. Question. Now sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to how much? So sec square 60. Sec 60 is equal to how much is there? Sec 60 is it is the you can get in trigonometry table. Sec 60 value is equal to how much is there? That is the 2 value. What is that? Sec 60 is equal to mean this is the 2 square because this is the square is there minus tan square 60. Tan square 60 is equal to what is that? Tan 60. Tan 60 value is equal to what is that? Root 3. So it is the square mean is there. You can write it is a square. Write it. Next to sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to what is that? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. It is a square, right? Plus cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to how much is there? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. So here is a what is that? 2 square mean 4 minus root 3 square mean 3 by 1 by 2 square mean 1 by 4 minus root 3 square by 2 mean what is that? 3. Here is a plus 3 by 4. Now what is that? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by, here is the LCM, it is the 4 is there. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3. That is equal to, what is that? 1 by 4 by 4. 1 by 4 by 4. 4 by 4, 4 cancel. It is a getting 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means that is the answer 1. This is the fifth question. It is the finish. Now we are going to the second bit. So second question in the first bit, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45. In the option it is a given A, B, C, D. It is a given. So which value it is the possible? Now we are checking it. So substitute. So what is that? 2 tan 30. 2 as it is tan 30 value. What is that? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 by, here is a 1 plus tan 45. Tan 45 mean what is that? 1. It is a square is there. Square write it. So now what is that? 2 into 1 by root 3 value. What is that? 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square mean 1. So now here is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here is a, what is a 2 by root 3, it is a reciprocal. What is that? 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Here is a final. What is that? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 it is getting option, it is a value. A option sin 60 it is not getting. So cos 60 also not getting. But tan 30 value it is possible. So that is equal to tan 30 degrees. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. This is the, what is the answer? Option C. Now we are going second bit, second question. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. So tan 45 value, you know, 1 as it is minus tan 45. Tan 45 value, it is a 1. 1, it is a square mean 1 square. By here also 1 plus 1 square mean tan 45, it is also 1 square. So 1 minus 1 square mean 1 by 1 plus 1 square mean 1. So this is a 0 by 2. 0 by 2 answer is equal to 0. So option, what is the given? Option is, it is the option D is correct. So D is the correct answer. Now next question. Now third question. So second bit, third question. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. So what is that? Here is a 2. Tan 30 value is equal to, what is that? 1 by root 3 by, here is a 1 minus tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square. So it is the, what is that? 2 into 1 by root 3 by, what is that? 2 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 square is equal to, what is that? 1 by 3. So now 2 by root 3 by, here is a 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to, what is that? 2 by 3. So this is the, what is that? So it is a numerator fraction number is there, denominator fraction number is there. So numerator fraction is equal to 2 by root 3. This is the denominator fraction, you can convert it, it is a reciprocal, you can write it. Reciprocal meaning what is that? 3 by 2 it is there. So 2 cancel. Finally what is that? It is a 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 value, what is that? 3 instead we can write to root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Finally what is the answer? Root 3 is there. Root 3 answer is there. Option we are checking it is, what is that? Root 3 value cos 60 not getting, sin 60 not getting, tan 60 it is the getting. So option is, what is that? C. What is that? Option C, that is the tan 60 it is the possible. So it is the second bit finished. Now we are going to the third question. Now third question, sin 60 cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 sin 30 degrees. Then evaluate this value, and sin of 60 plus 30 degrees, this value you can find it. What is the conclusion? It is the question asking. So first we are finding this left side value. What is that? Sin 60 into cos 30 plus cos 60 into sin 30 degrees value we are finding. So what is that? Sin 60. Sin 60 value, what is that? Sin 60 is equal to, that is the root 3 by 2. It is the into. Now cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to also root 3 by 2. This is the into. Plus cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to what is that? 1 by 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 value also 1 by 2. So finally root 3 into root 3 is equal to what is that? Root 3 into root 3, only simple 3. And 2 into 2 is equal to what is that? 4. Plus 1 into 1, 1. And 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now here is the LCM is equal to 4 getting. Here also what is that? 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 1 into 3. It is the plus. And 4 by 4 it is the 1 getting. 1 into 1, 1. So next step also you can write it 3 plus 1 by 4. It is equal to what is that? 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to what is that? This is the 1. So this is the LHS value. So what is that? Sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30 value is equal to 1 got. Now same right side RHS value here is equal to what is that? This is the LHS value. So LHS value it is the 1 got. RHS value, what is that? Sin of 60 plus 30 here is equal to what is that? Sin 60 plus 30 is equal to what is that? Sin 90. So sin 90 is equal to what is that? Sin 90 value it is equal to 1. So finally it is a RHS value and LHS value. It is the answer, it is a 1. So what is that conclusion? We can say it is a sin 60 plus cos 30 cos 60 plus sin 30 is equal to, that is the conclusion. What is that? Both are LHS RHS are equal. What is that? LHS is equal to RHS equal. So we can write what is that? Sin 60 plus 30 is equal to, we can write what is that? Sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30 degrees equal. So here is the 60 degrees instead A right. So sin 60 degrees A right. Just once listen. 60 degrees instead A you can say, and 30 degrees is equal to B you can say. So 60 instead A substitute, sin 60 instead A plus 30 instead of B right. So is equal to sin 60 mean sin A, cos 30 mean cos B plus cos B sin A. This is the formula getting. What is that? Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos B sin A. This is the answer. So it is the third question. It is the finished. Now we are going to the next question. This is the formula. Sin A plus B is equal to what is that? Sin A cos B plus cos B sin A. We are proved it is the formula. So it is the A instead 60 wrote, B instead is 30. It is the given that value LHS RH value we are proved. Now fourth question. Is it right to say cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? So it is correct or right? We are correct or wrong? We are checking. So what is that? It is the left side value. What is that? Cos 60 plus 30 is equal to same value cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 value. So here is a value substitute. Cos 60 plus 30 is equal to what is that? Cos 90. So here is a cos 60 value is equal to what is that? Cos 60 value is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 value is equal to what is that? 1 by 2. So and cos 30 is equal to how much is there? Root 3 by 2. It is a, again here is a minus. Sin 60 value is equal to what is that? Root 3 by 2 into sin 30 value is equal to 1 by 2. So cos 90 is equal to how much is there? Cos 90 is equal to, that is the value is equal to 0, and 1 by 2 into root 3 is equal to root 3 by 4 minus, here is a root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. So it is a LHS is equal to 0. Already we got it. Root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4, it is a 0. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. It is the equal is there. So here is a 60, instead you can write A, and 30 instead you can write B. So what is that? Cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. It is the instead A 60 instead what is right? So it is the A plus B, that is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. This is the formula. So we solved that formula. We got it is the formula. This is the answer. It is the fourth question. It is the finished. Now we are going to the fifth question. So fifth question, what is the given? PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle it is the Q. So RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. It is a given. QR is equal to question mark, and PR is equal to question mark. That is we are finding. So what is the given? 60 degrees given. What is that? RPQ is equal to 60 degrees mean. So we are finding this RP length. First RP length we are finding. What is that? Here is a QR. It is asking QR mean it is the this two relation is equal to what is that? This side and this side relation is equal to what is that? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to what is that? Opposite side by adjacent side. So here is the tan theta mean tan 60 you can take. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side what is that? QR length, and adjacent side what is that? QP length. So here is that substitute tan 60 is equal to how much is there? Tan 60 is equal to root 3, and QR length is equal to what is that? QR length, QR write it, and here is a QP length how much is there? 6 centimeter, 6 write it. So what is that? Here is the PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. So here is equal to QR is equal to what is 6? It is the transport to right side. 6 into root 3 is equal to QR. Finally what is that? QR is equal to finally QR length is equal to, we got it. So what is that? QR length is equal to 6 root 3. This is the answer. Now, and one more, it is the QR length finished. Now PR length. PR length mean PQ and PR. This two sides relation, what is that? Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, what is that? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos theta mean what is that? Cos 60. So theta value is the 60 is there, 60 right. Adjacent side what is that? PQ by hypotenuse what is that? PR. So PR right. So cos 60 is equal to how much is there? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So PQ is equal to how much is there? PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PR is equal to PR. So we are finding the PR. Cross multiplication you can do it. What is that? It is PR into 1, PR is equal to 2 into 6, 6 into 2. So PR is equal to, what is the 6 to the 12 centimeter. So this is the answer. So 2 lengths we got it. So it is the fifth question, it is finished. Now we are going to the next question, sixth one. Now sixth question, XYZ is a right angle triangle. Right angle at the 90 degrees at Y. So YZ is equal to, what is that? YZ is equal to X units, it is a given. XZ is equal to 2X units, it is a given. Angle YXZ is equal to this angle, it is asking. YZX angle also it is asking. So first this X angle we are finding. So X angle finding mean this two sides relation. What is that? Opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, what is that? Sin X. Sin X is equal to, what is that? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here is the hypotenuse sin X. Sin X is equal to opposite, what is that? Here is the YZ length. Hypotenuse is equal to ZX. So sin X right. Here is a YZ is equal to how much is there? X units. So ZX is equal to 2X. So XX cancel. So sin X angle is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to, what is that? Here is a sin X. Sin value it is a 1 by 2 which is there. So sin 30. Sin 30 value is equal to exactly 1 by 2 getting. So here is a sin, here is a sin, same mean. Here is the angle X value is equal to how much is there? Angle X is equal to 30 degrees is there. So here is a X is equal to 30 degrees, it is a got it. So sum of three angles is equal to, what is that? Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. In a triangle XYZ, so sum of three angles is equal to, what is that? Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. So what is that? Sum angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. So angle X is equal to, what is that? 30 degrees plus angle Y is equal to 90 degrees plus angle Z is equal to, not there, that is we are finding. So 90 plus 30 is equal to 120 degrees plus angle Z. So it is a 180. So angle Z is equal to, what is that? 180 minus 120 degree. Here is equal to, what is that? 60 degrees. Angle Z. Angle Z mean what is that? Y angle YZX is equal to 60 degrees. It is a finished. Angle X mean what is that? Angle YXZ, that is equal to 30 degrees. This is the answer. It is the sixth question. It is the finish. So now seventh question, is it right to say sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b? So it is the, what is that solution? Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. So here is the a value is equal to 60 degrees we can say, and a is equal to 60 degrees and b is equal to 30 degrees you can say. So what is that? Substitute it is a sine of 60 plus 30 and that is equal to sine 60 degrees plus sine 30 degrees. So sine of 60 plus 30 is equal to, what is that? Sine 90 degrees is equal to sine 60 is equal to, how much is there? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So sine 90 is equal to, what is that? 1. So here is equal to root 3 plus 1, denominator 2, both are same is there, just write simple 2 is there. So what is that? It is LHS and RHS not equal. So LHS is the 1 is there and RHS root 3 plus 1 by 2, it is both are not equal. So what can you say? Is it right to say? So this is wrong, not correct. So what is that? This is not correct. LHS or RHS is not correct, not equal. So this is the finish. సో ఈరోజు మనము ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 11.2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కషన్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో ఇందులో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ టేబుల్ పైన డిపెండ్ అవుతుంటాయి. ఆ టేబుల్ పైన నేర్చుకొని ప్రాబ్లమ్ అన్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకోండి. సో మీకు ఈ వీడియో మీకు అందరికీ అర్థమైందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఈ వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా క్లిక్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు నేను పెట్టే వీడియోస్ నోటిఫికేషన్గా వస్తాయి. చాలామంది వీడియోస్ చూస్తున్నారు కానీ లైక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోతున్నారు. కంపల్సరీ లైక్ చేయండి. మీకు ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్లు ఉన్నా కానీ, ఇంకేమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కావాలనుకున్నా కానీ నాకు కామెంట్ చేయండి. సో ఈ వీడియో చాలామంది చూస్తున్నారు కానీ లైక్ చేయట్లేదు. లైక్ చేయండి. లైక్ చేస్తే వేరే వాళ్ళకు కూడా తొందరగా రీచ్ అవుతాయి. అప్పుడు మీరు నాకు సపోర్ట్ చేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది, నాకు కూడా వేరే వీడియో చేయాలనిపిస్తుంటుంది. సో ఎవ్రీవన్ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ద బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. బాయ్. Please subscribe and click the bell icon.